Hi everyone, Evgenia is here. Welcome to the month of September, and I hope that you had a magnificent summer despite of everything that is happening in the world, and you managed to make it full of warm memories. There will be no other summer like the summer of 2020. Well, I'm just hopping in today because this month the tarot brings us one of the most delicious oils in the oil chart, and this is a Caraway oil. So with a 125 PV purchased this month, you will receive a bottle of Caraway oil for free. And that is why I'm here, because I want to tell you about the benefits of this essential oil. I don't know about you, but Caraway to me is the scent of childhood. Nothing can top the warm memory of that rye bread with the caraway seeds and the family breakfast together. To me, it's one of my favorite memories. And you can't get that almost black rye bread here in Europe. And I always go back in my memories whenever I need that warm and fuzzy feeling. So caraway is here, and hooray to that. So caraway is also known as the Meridian fennel or a Persian cumin. It's a plant from the Apiaceae family, and it is native to Western Asia, Europe, and Northern Africa. The plant is very, very similar in appearance to other members of carrot family, with finely divided feather leaves and with thread-like divisions. They grow up to 20 to 30 centimeters in stem, and the main flower stem is up to 60 centimeters tall, with white and pink flowers in umbels. So caraway fruit is erroneously called seed, and the fruits are the crescent-shaped achenes around 2 millimeters long with 5 pale ridges. So let's go and dive into what is the caraway essential oil. Oh, by the way, there are a lot of confusion about the etymology of caraway, and it's very poorly understood, and to me it's very, very complex. Like caraway has been called different names in different regions, with name deriving from Latin cuminum, which is cumin, and the Greek caron, again cumin, and also the Latin, later it was adapted to Latin carom, now meaning caraway, and the Sanskrit Caraway, sometimes translated as caraway, but sometimes is also understood as fennel. So regardless what we call it, caraway seed is been with us for nearly 8,000 years, and there is an archaeological proof to it. You can read all about it if you want in greater detail. There's a lot of information on the web, but I just want to dive straight into the benefits of this oil. So caraway is used in desserts, liquors, casseroles. In Indian cuisine, it's used in rices, like in my favorite biryani. In other foods, also found in the European cuisine. The most common use in the European cuisine is adding some caraway seeds into the sauerkraut, which is delicious. And also, the roots of caraway may be cooked as vegetables like parsnip and carrots. Additionally, the leaves of caraway sometimes consumed as herbs, either raw, dried, or cooked, and it's very, very similar to parsley. In countries like Serbia, the caraway seeds are spread over the home-baked salty scones and very frequently added to give a little bit of flavor to cheeses. Many ways to use it in the cuisine, and oil, if you use it, is so great to use in the kitchen. You need just a tiny little bit of it. If you use it in the kitchen, before dropping a whole drop into your dishes, try to use a toothpick and just dip a toothpick into your essential oil bottle, and then mix it in with whatever you're cooking to see this could be just enough flavor for the dish. Because as we remember, essential oils are 70% stronger than the source from which they come from. So, what is caraway essential oil? Well, first of all, caraway essential oil comes from the fruit. It's not the seed, it's the fruit. This, you know, sometimes it's, as I already mentioned, it's strongly associated with rye bread. It's more a therapeutic oil than aromatic, and the undertone of it is it has this wonderful, fresh, slightly spicy odor and a hint of pepper. Caraway essential oil is a very, very warming oil which helps to relieve mental strain, emotional fatigue, and in terms of medicinal use, it is highly used for digestive problems and also to combat leukemia cells and any sort of tumors in the body. It's a very, very strong oil, which is known as protective oil. So I'm not going to go into the chemical constituents of the oil because there are some words I cannot even pronounce. But if you are interested, you just go into the Terra site and all the information is available there. I will just mention this. The chemical constituents of the caraway oil are very medicinal. And thanks to these constituents, the caraway essential oil can be attributed to its properties as anti-aging, anti-histaminic, antioxidant, antiseptic, antispasmodic, antispasmatic, not anti, but disinfectant, digestive, detoxifier. It's used as a tonic, and it is used as an anti-inflammatory agent to combat any tumors in the body. So, antihistamine is a major reason behind disruptive and exhausting hot coughs. So people who suffer from seasonal allergies can continue coughing endlessly. Sometimes this condition becomes so severe that these people are running out of breath, and in some cases they even collapse. So caraway oil can be miraculously helpful by neutralizing the effect of the histamine and cures these potentially dangerous coughs and other ailments associated with histamines and allergies. As an antioxidant, monotropine, which is one of the main constituents of this essential oil, helps destroying and inhibiting the growth of free radical, which are responsible for the cellular oxidation. So like colon cancer patients are treated with caraway essential oil because it eliminates those free radicals and clears out the colon. It is a great antiseptic. So very, very powerful antiseptic. In the ancient times, not only was it used to clear out the wounds, protecting them from inhibition of microorganisms and spreading, and their spreading, and also from them becoming later the septics. It protects from the onset of tannins, which is antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also, not being known as a protective oil, in the past, caraway, the fruits used to be added like to anoint things that were desired to be protected from theft. So they will either spread the oil at the entrance of the house to protect it from unwanted guests, or they will add a few drops into the bag to protect their belongings from being stolen. So protective oil, we can also refer to ourselves by giving ourselves the massage with this wonderful oil to protect us from external influences. Caraway oil is a great oil all around the cardiac health. It helps maintain proper heart rate, strengthen the cardiac muscles, prevent hardening of the arteries and veins, lowers the blood pressure, and also lowers the levels of cholesterol in the blood, thus helping our heart from all angles. It's a great detoxifier, so it is liver friendly. It protects liver from encountering the highly toxic substances. In addition to this, it has a lot of the antimicrobial attribute. It clears out the urinary tract from infections. And caraway essential oil is a great source of dietary fiber, if you didn't know about that. A spoon of caraway oil taken with warm water and a pinch of plain or black salt cures all sorts of indigestions and speeds up digestion by stimulating the secretion of gastric juices, acids, and bile into the stomach. This is a number one oil for our intestines. I just love this oil in many different ways. So what else? There are thousands of properties. I'm not going to give you all the information about them because you can go ahead and explore it in all the books. And but I'm just going to outline the main properties of it. Caraway oil is known as a remedy for increasing milk production for mothers. It is advised to consume caraway essential oils with honey. It enhances both the quality and the quantity of milk. The baby feeding on this milk is also kept safe from flatulence and indigestion due to the properties of this essential oil. In the spiritual term, caraway essential oil serves as a boon to mankind with its pleasing aroma and the therapeutic compounds that have soothing effects on the mind. It is widely used in aromatherapy when working with childhood issues, like if you were adopted or if you were abandoned as a child. It helps you bring your whole self together and also stimulate that warmth inside of heart so that you can become the source of love instead of constantly seeking for it outside. It just makes you feel so full of energy and life. What else can we say about this beautiful oil? Uses of the essential oil. The number one way to use it is massaging it into your body, blend it with fractionated coconut oil. And we're talking about 5 milliliters of coconut oil in proportions to 10 drops of caraway essential oil. This will help you control the growth of free radicals, enhance the overall immune power of your system, and shield you against any harmful effect of the cancerous cells as well. Adding 2 or 3 drops of caraway oil in warm bathing water or in a massage blend with 10 drops of this oil mixed with 5 milliliters of olive or other carrier oils helps in excreting the toxins, fats, uric acids, salts, and excess fluid deposits in your body. And it does it with ease. And thus, it helps alleviate hypertension, promote weight loss, and treat any sort of inflammation. inhaling the refreshing aroma of caraway oil by adding 2 drops of this into the diffuser, or simply just massaging it in the abdominal area clockwise, can effectively treat diarrhea, flatulence, vomiting, morning sickness, heartburn due to indigestion, any sort of intestinal worms or parasites, and colics. When it comes to treating children's nervous system or nervous colics, it is advised to mix together 50 milliliters of soya oil, 2 drops of wheat germ oil, 12 drops of caraway. Put the bottle under a hot tap, warm this mixture a little bit, and then just apply it clockwise on the child's stomach. And that is a great remedy for the colics. The pain will disappear almost instantly. Another benefit of caraway essential oil is that it's great. It has an anti-aging properties, so you can safely use it with a little bit of a coconut oil on your skin instead of the cream to promote healthy, glowing skin and help you stay healthy and young. So these are not all of the properties of this essential oil. The list is endless. This is one of the oils, along with frankincense, along with myrrh, which have a long list of health benefits. And it's one of the oils, it's just like one for all. So we're so lucky to have it in the promotion. The promotion lasts from day 1 to day 15, and you can make your order. And if your order exceeds 125 PV, equals or exceeds 125 PVs, you will receive the Caraway essential oil for free. So go ahead, check your back office, make your order, and please do share the benefits of this wonderful essential oil as you encounter them. And if you have any questions, please pop them here in the comments. If you have your experiences with Caraway essential oils, please share it with us, because the more experiences we share, the more knowledge we gain. And this is all for now. I will see you next time. May love always be in the center of all your choices. Lots of love, and until next time.